Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Navarre Beach, Florida, a beautiful and peaceful destination located on the Gulf of Mexico. This charming area is part of Santa Rosa County and is known for its stunning white sandy beaches and clear emerald waters. Navarre Beach offers a quiet and relaxing escape, making it a perfect spot for those looking to unwind and enjoy the natural beauty of Florida's coastline. The beach stretches over 4 miles and is part of the Gulf Islands National Seashore, which means it is well preserved and offers plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities. As we walk along the shore, you'll notice the gentle waves and the soft sand underfoot, making it an ideal place for a leisurely stroll or relaxing day by the water. Navarre Beach has a rich history that dates back to the early 1800s when it was first settled. Over the years, it has transformed from a small fishing village into a popular vacation spot while still maintaining its small-town charm. Whether you're here to relax, explore, or simply enjoy the scenery, Navarre Beach provides a serene and inviting atmosphere. Thank you for joining us at Navarre Beach, Florida, a hidden gem on Florida's Gulf Coast. Thanks for watching!